Alright, so we're about to head down the Long Hill. Here we are at the entrance of the Long Hill main road. Here we are officially on it. Look at it, man. They recently did some bushing. They cleared the bushes along the edge. So let's see what the experience down Long Hill is like. Look at it. A very dangerous road in St. James. A Long Hill main road. As you can see, they did some patching work. Let's see what the other section is like. Let me know what your experience with Long Hill is like. Tap that subscribe button and like the video for more, showing you what's going on in Jamaica. Long Hill is a very dangerous road. A lot of persons have went over the gully on the left. No room for error or mistakes on this journey here on Long Hill. A very dangerous road. Here we are at the deepest corner on the hill. Right, this is the area where they did the bushing to clear the power lines. Amazing. And we have almost completed the Long Hill. We're heading down now into Reading. A lot of developments in Reading. Pinnacle, One Reading, Paradise Bay, and a lot of residential apartment high-rise buildings. We're going at 42 kilometers per hour down the hill. Here we are now at the end of Long Hill, and we're officially in the area of Reading. Again, do remember to tap that subscribe button, like the video. We're gonna head into Montego Bay and we'll stop the video where Jamaica's tallest building is being built. That's there at the location of the Pinnacle Towers. Here's the Pinnacle on your left coming up. See the high rise there? That's Jamaica's tallest building, now selling its apartments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Click on the next video and watch our videos. See you soon.